guys? Just got a '06 YZ250F project. 600 bucks. Saw it on Facebook. The dude delivered it to me. It doesn't run, but it kicks over good. Hopefully a good carb clean and fresh gas will do it. Not a bad bike for 600 bucks. But, you know, the dude brought it to me yesterday. Didn't have any coolant around the edge, but now it's got some coolant around. So I tried starting it, kicking it over. I'm thinking they probably didn't torque anything down, so I went over there, got a wrench on one of the head bolts. Yeah, it's 12. One of the head bolts, grabbed it, and it's pretty loose. Both of them just pretty loose. That one's a little tighter, but head bolts not supposed to be able to move with your fingers. We'll get it fixed up soon. Yep, didn't torque it down enough. Got all water on the piston, but everything looks fine. Everything looks fine. The head looks fine. Just water everywhere. Clean it up. Probably slap her together. She'll run.